Vendetta attack, vendetta attack, alkaline strikes, dancehall in a panic mode. Dancehall I wait for this moment for the longest. Now, uno been anticipate the clash kick off. Now, is it safe to say this one start the clash? Will are the answer? This song a go viral. Everybody a talk about dangerous youth. Alkaline drop some things in the song but make everybody a look on him different. The man all go as far as say him a gangster, them a handicap. That no normal. People who know one of there a so Jamaica and we have the latest and what go on. Pop. Alkaline not take no talk. A long time now Alkaline approve himself say him a one of the bravest soldiers in a dancehall. I really thought that. Dancehall get quiet. For a whole minute we a say, wait, warm to the artists them. All of the shooters them we did a sing about them. Whole heap a big machine. We never see them or hear about them. All of a sudden, people attack like say boy Alkaline never go drop no song after the Comet drop. Only if you find out say Alkaline drop a song right now where it look like say it's an earthquake cause the whole place shake. Me don't know how much magnitude them say, or how much point, how much I tell you say right now it a mash up the earth. And the dangerous youth right now, Alkaline, dancehall attack. Yo, for the longest, everybody, you know say, I be a comparison, comparing Alkaline with vybz. Every single forward, every project we forward is comparison. So, when you know say, and an amateur thing, the two artists them thing shot. So, Alkaline forward, and I make you know say, him thing no normal, him thing at a road. So, and an amateur thing. So he must say, boy, the man them talk about Trump change. So, right now, Alkaline show you say, him used to them things there. A normal settings to him. You see me? Alkaline show you say, him up there with him money. That not frighten him. So I just see fans them that I get excited. No, people, the song. Talk the truth. Drop on a rating span the song. Is this song more powerful in the streets than the Comet? Cause right now the song just forward and the people them attack crazy. But we know say the Comet a smash. You know say the Comet a big hit song. So right now I want to know, is this song a bigger song than the Comet? Drop it in the comment section. Vendetta fans, Gaza fans, wanna drop on a perspective in the comment section right now. We wanna know what go on the road right now. Dancehall hot, it turn up. And this one I ask her, wanna get it. So make we talk about it. You see me? Cause right now, you know, brother, everybody a wait for you where Gaza go say. Everybody a wait, cause remember, you know, the man a like go as far as say, you know, if he buck them wife here road, you know, now she have to run, you know, brother. Whoever the man attack, we don't know who him attack. But right now, people are say the boss have to respond. So allegedly, if the boss him attack, we are look for to see the boss respond. I don't know say it will be happening soon. Make sure to subscribe because you have to hear. Now the food are boiled down. We are get to the meat and gravy. Now who no feel say I go win in a clash between Alkaline and vybz Kartel because you don't know say right now the streets been a ask this, and right now Alkaline launch attack like same fighter jet load up with big ammunition and him say him not take no shot and him circle around and one play. Yo, the man have make some talk. I say when Vendetta walk out, a peer rifle in a hand, no chatting. I say, brother, this man have look like say boy, him just wake up in a destructive mood. Vendetta, look like Vendetta wake up in a destructive mood and just say, yeah, hear me? Riot, mayhem, mash up everything. The man are saying we circle them place and left everybody a weep and mourn people. The man a show you say when Vendetta touch the road and nothing normal, a funeral and cross and roses and crying and peer mourning. The man a show you say Vendetta clan is nothing normal. The fans them been a say Alkaline is very sneaking, and when Alkaline launch a attack, him know exactly where him do cause is a very crafty, smart person. So here we are going right now. Drop it in the comment section. If you think say Alkaline are one of the toughest artists right now, and if you feel say right now Alkaline can win Kartel in a clash, drop it in the comment section. We are talking about dancehall. So Jamaica, turn up, subscribe, get your subscription. Did Alkaline also diss Mavado neatly? Cause we also hear him say, no rival, everything still a enemy. And we actually see Vado a big up Kartel and Kartel a big up Vado. So was that a shot at Mavado? So it's safe to say Alkaline not really business with nobody right now. See me? Inside the depot I just this year there anything on. You see me? So when the man I show you say right now, Vendetta now take no hostage. You see me? A straight mayhem. Alkaline head hot right now, brother. Be a war. Vendetta outside, brave, bold and brawling, saying he's a dangerous youth and him willing to prove it. Pull up anywhere them there and make sure say he shell down. Hey, make sure say you subscribe. Cause when Vendetta start shell down a place, you don't want to run and fell down. Right now, Alkaline name hot in the streets. Are the artist out right now? See if I say that until an artist do a song right now. We outdo this song right now, Dangerous Youth. You see me? With the response we get in a such a short moment. You see me down the road, we know say this song I gonna mash up the place. So until an artist remove this song, right now I one of the artists right now. You see me? So Alkaline have the wave right now. You see me? Cause some things the Alkaline saying in the song right now, I tell you say them punchline they connect, you see me? And the people them attack and I say right now, remember Bounty Killer did have wicked this song in the feedback, you know. You see me? And the man them say boy right now, it's like say boy Alkaline just do some ropes and doing research. I say, hit song. You see me? I saw the thing said, lyrical thing, you see me? So the artists them dip on them thing, brother, and them and them, this is what they do. You feel me? So I know nothing new for see one of them just go in at them lab and say, yo, striking time. But right now, I tell you say, when Vendetta launched that attack there, streets did that act, but I guess them never know say it would have been like this. That one and the normal. Everybody attack. Even Winford speak about it. This is so Jamaica. You know say at the Body's podcast, this on YouTube. Everybody attack about it. And if they don't know yet, make sure so you tell somebody about it. Right now, Vendetta against Gaza Nation. Will this leads to them being on a stage clashing like how we seen vybz Kartel with the legend Mavado clashing? And also, did Alkaline also diss Mavado neatly? Alkaline hot in the streets right now. Vendetta thing loud.